Get ready to unlock a new level of power and precision with our list of the top 10 non-gunpowder rifles on Amazon. So powerful, they rival real firearms while remaining fully legal. These high-end air rifles and pneumatic systems use incredible velocity, accuracy, and impact without traditional gunpowder. For target shooting, small game hunting, or collecting high-performance gear, these rifles really push the limits of what non-powder technology is capable of doing. Prepare yourself to discover jaw-dropping power in weapons that you can own legally today. Number 1. Umarex Gauntlet 2. The Umarex Gauntlet 2 in .22 caliber is a powerful and refined pre-charged pneumatic rifle, engineered for the shooter who wants accuracy, consistency, and high performance. It features a 10-shot rotary magazine, and the package includes 2 magazines plus a single-shot tray for precision shooting. Its 24 cubic inch air tank fills to an impressive 4,500 pound square inch and is regulated at 1,900 pound square inch, delivering remarkably consistent shots. With bolt-action operation, the Gauntlet 2 produces up to 48 foot-pounds of energy and can reach speeds of 1,130 feet-pound-second with 11.9 grain pellets. The Picatinny scope rail offers easy optic mounting, while the improved ergonomics and power make it ideal for small game hunting, target shooting, and pest control. Number 2. Seneca Dragonclaw 2. The Seneca Dragonclaw 2 is a powerhouse .50 caliber PCP rifle that pushes big bore airgun performance to new heights. Delivering over 100 additional foot-pounds of energy compared to the original, it's built for serious hunters who need stopping power for deer, hogs, coyotes, raccoons, and similar-sized game. This versatile rifle fires both traditional lead ammo and ultra-accurate air bolts, with 430 grain bolts reaching speeds capable of producing more than 600 feet-pound-second for devastating impact. Twin 500 cubic centimeter air reservoirs offer multiple high-power shots from a 3,000 pound square inch fill, while peak velocities up to 860 feet-pound second generate roughly 340 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. Featuring a hardwood stock, rifled barrel, bolt-action design, and dual power levels, the Dragonclaw 2 delivers unmatched capability at a price of $589.99. Number 3. Umarex Air Javelin Pro. The Umarex Air Javelin Pro is a force in the new era of air archery, striking hard and true using its PCP-powered system and regulated output to deliver some serious performance. Firing 170 grain arrows at up to 370 feet-pound-second and generating 52 feet-pounds of energy, it's designed for taking small game in an ethical manner and with consistent accuracy. One airfill gives you 25 strong, reliable shots from its 1,500 pound square inch regulator and 121.3 cubic centimeters air tank, which can be refilled in about 7 minutes using the Umarex Ready Air compressor. The ambidextrous bolt action, manual push button safety, and a crisp 6.25 pound trigger make it accessible for shooters of all skill levels. Its lightweight adjustable polymer stock supports easy customization with a Picatinny rail and M-Loke slots. Measuring 31 inches to 34.25 inches, the Air Javelin Pro is compact, maneuverable, and affordable at just $319.99. Number 4. Benjamin Bulldog. The Benjamin Bulldog is a high-powered big-bore air rifle designed for hunters who require compact handling without sacrificing performance. Offered in .357 and .457 calibers, the bullpup design uses its energy and accuracy, maintaining an overall length of only 36 inches while housing a long, rifled barrel. The .357 version includes a 26-inch Picatinny rail, 5.5-inch accessory rail, and a 5-round rotary clip, while the .457 adds a longer air tube, M18 threaded muzzle, and a gravity-fed 3-shot tray capable of 450 feet-pound energy. At 7.7 to 8.7 pounds, both remain highly maneuverable in the field. A crisp bullpup trigger, manual safety, and 440 cubic centimeter cylinder filled to 3,000 pound square inch make the Bulldog one of the most reliable, efficient big bores on the market. Number 5. Umarex AirSaber Elite X2. The first ever double-barrel designed Umarex AirSaber Elite X2 sets an unprecedented benchmark for performance and versatility in the realm of air archery. Powered by an impressive 4,000-pound square-inch air charge and a 240 cubic centimeter onboard tank, it yields up to 25 deadly hunting-grade shots per fill. Its first 5 shots exceed 450 feet per second, using 376 grain arrows, with an incredible 130 feet-pounds of energy released, making it a very serious hunting tool. A push-through barrel selector allows for speedy changing, and a pick rail on the receiver, along with 3 additional rails on the forend, provide flexible mounting options for optics, quivers, or bipods. The AirSaber Elite X2 comes packaged with 3 AirSaber arrows, a 4x32 Axion scope, and a smooth side lever cocking system. With power, originality, and outstanding design, it stands as one of the most capable air archery platforms available. Price: $324.99. Number 6. Hatsan Harpoon. The Hatsan Harpoon propels air-powered arrow launching into a new class of performance with its precision-built PCP system. It delivers blistering speeds up to 600 feet-pound-second and a massive 330 feet-pounds of energy, hitting harder than many traditional crossbows. Unlike proprietary systems, the Harpoon fires any standard 20-inch crossbow arrow, with no need for costly specialty bolts. Its compact bullpup layout, smooth side lever action, and patented gas piston hammer spring ensure consistent, powerful shots. The advanced tactical polymer stock includes an integrated pistol grip, adjustable cheek rest, and soft rubber butt pad for comfort and stability. A long optics rail supports both 11mm and Picatinny mounts, while onboard storage for 2 arrows adds convenience. Powered by a 500 cubic centimeters, 250 bar aluminum air bottle, it delivers 10 optimal shots in a rugged 36-inch package. Price: $703.99. Number 7. Umarex Hammer Carbine. The Umarex hammer is a powerhouse, .50 caliber, 5x10 bore, pre-charged pneumatic rifle created for hunters who require utmost stopping power. It features a semi-bullpup design that provides perfect balance and maneuverability, combined with a highly efficient bolt action system and a 2-shot magazine for quick, efficient shooting. The 24 cubic inch air tank fills to 4,500 pounds square inch and delivers 3 full power shots with outstanding uniformity. It can launch a 350 grain slug at up to 900 feet-pound-second with the hammer, inflicting devastating energy on game. A Picatinny scope rail, M-Loke handguard, and Magpul grip provide plenty of room for modern shooters to modify. Rugged, reliable, and built for maximum impact, the Umarex hammer is among the most powerful production air rifles available. MSRP: $1,099.99. Number 8. AOA Bushbuck. The AOA Bushbuck .452. Carbine is the most powerful big-bore air rifle built for extreme hunting and long-range competition. Muzzle energy exceeds 500 feet-pounds on high power for taking North American game including deer and boar, and some African species. The proprietary barrel twist rate ensures outstanding slug stabilization, with proven tight groups at 250 yards. Requires soft lead .452 bullets, 8 to 12 Bresnell, and prohibits jacketed rounds to preserve warranty and performance. Compatible with other Bushbuck rifles, and featuring a USA-made laminate stock in black pepper and laser engraving, it is fitted with a Picatinny rail and a crisp approximately 3-pound trigger. The all-steel air cylinder supports multiple full-power shots at 4,500 pounds square inch, while the extended breech allows smooth loading of long, heavy projectiles. Number 9. AirForce Texan. The AirForce Texan in .257 is a precision big-bore rifle engineered for long-range hunting and top-tier performance. Capable of reaching 960 feet-pound-second and producing 175 feet-pounds. Of muzzle energy, it delivers outstanding accuracy and power for medium game pursuits. This pre-charged pneumatic, single-shot rifle uses a smooth side lever action and features a 34-inch barrel for excellent ballistic stability. The extended weaver, Picatinny optics rail, allows flexible scope mounting, while the adjustable two-stage trigger and automatic safety enhance control. Its 490 cubic centimeters tank fills to 3,000 pounds square inch and includes a pressure relief device for added security. Adjustable power settings let shooters fine-tune performance, and the textured grip, adjustable butt plate, and 13.875 to 15-inch length of pull ensure ergonomic comfort. Weighing just 7.65 pounds, the Texan offers serious hunting capability price $1,039.95. Number 10. FX Impact. The FX Impact M3 is the game-changing air rifle that raises the bar on what a modern pre-charged pneumatic firearm can achieve. With the goal of achieving airgun perfection, the Impact M3 incorporates dual regulators for consistent output, the FX Power Plenum 720 for optimized air delivery, and a fully adjustable quick tune system for tool-free fine-tuning of air pressure, valve timing, and hammer strength. Upgrades include an ambidextrous short-throw cocking lever, dual transfer ports, tightened barrel and breech tolerances, and a refined trigger with adjustable post. With its precision engineering, modular design, and advanced ergonomics, the FX Impact M3 delivers unparalleled accuracy, power, and efficiency. Truly one of the most advanced and capable air rifles today, it has dominated competitions and cemented its position as a winner, continuing to redefine what air guns can achieve. Thanks for watching. These 10 non-gunpowder rifles prove that you don't need traditional firearms to have serious power, accuracy, and performance. If you enjoyed the list, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which model impressed you most. Follow for more powerful gear guides and must-see reviews. Catch you in the next video.